everyone, thanks for watching. What are we changing out here today? The batteries in this remote. That's your key fob for your vehicle. I've already got my second one apart, and I do have my third one over here. This is the remote starter for that particular vehicle. Same battery in all three of these. That's why I got a 6-pack. Check your owner's manual and they'll tell you what battery to use, but I'll also show you something else inside the remote that'll identify which battery. These are 1616 CRs. If you'll take a look in this one that's already apart, I'm not sure if you'll be able to make it out, right there. CR16 is stamped right into the back of the case. How do you take this apart? Well, I already got the screw out, and there's the screw. Don't lose that. Not very big, is it? That is a Phillips head screw, and that goes right into there. Right in that little spot. Okay? Take that out and basically just pop this apart. There we go. Now you get your two pieces, your key, put it off to the side, and your remote part. Unlock, lock, trunk, or power hatch, and panic button. Flip it over. There you go. The battery is underneath here. You do have to separate this little part of the case, and this is what it'll look like once we get this one apart. Okay? Little flathead screwdriver. There's my little Phillips screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver. Kind of right into this. Now yours on your particular vehicle might be a little bit different. This is for an Acura. This is for an MDX. Kind of just want to get in there and pop it. And then pop it. It's got a little lip right there. And it's kind of weird. I don't know why they did this, but I don't particularly like it because you kind of have to pry on it. It should just literally, it'd be nice if I could just push the buttons out, but that would possibly cause my panic button to go off. But see that little spot right there, right? And we want you to twist and pop, but boy, you feel like you're gonna pop it. You see how I got a gap in there now? Take my extra little small screwdriver, just down inside here. There we go. Gently, but boy, it's plastic. Housing there, that's your housing. Upside down. There you go. Batteries in behind here. You do have to separate right in here. You need your flat screwdriver. And just kind of give it a bit of a pry apart. Kind of work the edge a little bit. I'll use my bigger one here as well. Again, these are just, there you go. See, it's already apart. It's going apart. There's your hands. Wow, this one here I have not had apart, but boy, it is together. There we go. There it is. Battery right there. And take a look, remember which way's down. That's a new battery right there. Take a look which way is obviously down. It actually tells you inside, but again, there's your listing for your battery, 1616. Take my extra little small screwdriver. Gives you the arrow. Can you see this here? Right there, there's a little arrow right beside the CR, right underneath there. That's kind of where you want to pry. Underneath and give it a little pop, it says. Okay, well, it's not popping from there. Maybe I need where's my little bigger screwdriver? My little bigger screwdriver? Sure, okay. This battery's gonna go flying. Wow, that battery is in there. Like, there we go. That's my bad one. Here's my new one. Positive down. If you take a look inside, and then you see the little arrow there, and now you can see it's a little bit better. Positive down. Pop your battery in. Oh, you heard that. Well, that's actually pretty solid. This has never been apart before. Take your case. It's going to go back together. And of course, these three tangs right here, 1, 2, 3, and they're gonna contact your battery onto there. Squeeze this together. Popped on one side, didn't pop on the other. Let's go. There we go. You gotta give it some pressure. Take it onto here. There we go. You match it up. Panic button on it. Hey, it looks like a smiley face, like a goalie mask almost. Sad. Happy? Sure. Pop it in. Grab your key. Now this one here kind of locks underneath. Pop it. Put it back together. Take your screw. That's a small. Wow. Uh-oh. Okay, I dropped it. It's right here though. I'm gonna take my screw, the haunt of my screwdriver. That's what you should be doing. That's a Phillips head screw. Pop it inside. Tight. Done. There you go. You've changed up your battery. The other ones will be identical. Obviously, I'm going to be putting that one back together, and I'll be doing this one. It'll be the exact same. This actually is a little bit different. Oh, look at that. Huh. It's actually got like a little grab tag right here or something. Arrowed down. This might have a different battery in it. That's interesting. I'm going to be pulling this apart right away. Right after I put that one back together. If you have any questions or comments on this, leave them. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hope you like this. And leave a comment. There we go. It's coffee time. Cheers, everyone.